everyone, are you seeing the page not found error on Facebook? Maybe a profile page or link is not opening. Don't worry, in this video I will show you simple ways to fix it step by step. Step 1. Refresh or reopen the app. Now refresh the page or close Facebook completely and open it again. Small app glitches can sometimes cause this error. Step 2. Check internet connection. Make sure internet is working properly. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. To see if that fixes the issue. Step 3. Log out or log back in. Go to your Facebook settings. Log out of your account and then log back in. This refreshes your account and can fix loading problems. Step 4. Update Facebook app. Open the Play Store or App Store. And check for updates. An outdated update can sometimes show page not found errors. Step 5. Clear app cache Android. If you're using Android, go to Settings, Apps, Facebook, Storage and Cache, and tap Clear Cache. This helps remove temporary bugs. Important tips: if nothing works, wait for some time. Sometimes Facebook servers can have temporary issues that fix automatically. And that's it. These simple steps should help you to fix the Facebook page not found problem. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more easy teach fixes.